My name is Michael Einer. I'm a disability lawyer and I have a disability. I have ADHD and motor tic syndrome. Despite having my own disabilities, I've managed to turn them into my strengths rather than letting them be perceived as my weaknesses. There is no question that I draw upon my own experiences to help me in my law practice every day, especially when it comes to connecting with my clients. I know what it is like to have a seemingly endless schedule of doctor's appointments and to feel like a guinea pig while doctors try to figure out the right balance of medications to help with symptoms. But my deepest connections of all tend to be with the parents of minor children that come to my office seeking SSI for their kids. These parents are scared. Often they come to me having just found out that their child was diagnosed with a significant physical or mental disability, and they're unsure what it means for their child's future. Will their child be able to finish school? Will they be able to be independent in adulthood? Will they be able to find a life partner? I open up and I share my own stories with these families. I tell them how I was expelled from the private elementary school that I went to in Detroit because of behavioral issues, or how my mother was never able to hold her traditional job because every time she would start a job, she would have to quit the job because she kept having to pick me up from school. However, with a lot of parental love and my own eventual hard work and perseverance, despite all of the obstacles I encountered, I managed to turn out okay. And after hearing my own story, I can see how these clients' fear turns into optimism and hope. Having a disability doesn't have to be a scarlet letter. For some like me who choose to embrace what makes them different, it might actually be a blessing.